Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Okay. Nice. So, what's your name? What's in here, ma'am?
My name's Chris. Team Hella Hurts. It's on YouTube, TikTok. I got a 2012 F150. Got 4th order blow through, 2 Sundown SA15 Classic, the V1 Rev 3s, wired at 1 ohms, MD3K, it's 224 amp hours AGM, all 0 gauge, and that's pretty much about it.
Nice. Who built this?
A friend of mine, Danny Martin, built it, and I did all the install, everything myself. Myself.
Is this a 4th order?
4th order, yep.
Nice.
It's a 2.5 to 1 ratio.
Okay.
Peaks at 40 to 24 in the port and 45 in the rear. So
nice. All right. Are you happy with it?
For now, like I said, I just need a little more power and a little bit more. I bought it drops a little bit, 13 and a half or so. This is actually for my 4 channel.
Okay.
Got two DS18s in each front door, nothing in the rear door.
Yes, sir.
I'll upgrade later, but
all right. Did a good job sealing it off too.
Yeah, man. I had one little leak, and so I went in and put the liquid nail around it. But other than that, it's solid.
Nice work. I like it.
I've got wood braces in my roof.
You do?
Got that sound deadener all the way on the roof.
So it's not. It still moves a lot, but you've done a stop it a good bit.
It sound like 10 slap on the roof.
Really? Okay.
I just did it a few weeks ago, and it helped so much. It didn't
Yes, sir.
improve my score. It didn't go down, but it helped the sound.
It sounded better too. Yeah.
Right.
Yep. Yes, sir. Nice.
quick if you want.
Yeah, man, let's do it. This will fall open. Yeah, bass will mess up anything, man. Did a good job sealing it off too.
Yeah, man. I had one little leak, and so I went ahead and put the liquid nail around it. But other than that, it's solid.
Nice work. I like it.
I've got wood braces in my roof.
You do?
Got that sound deadener all the way on the roof.
So it's not. It still moves a lot, but you're done to stop it a good bit.
It sound like 10 slap on the roof.
Really? Okay.
I just did it a few weeks ago, and it helped it so much. It didn't
Yes, sir.
improve my score. It didn't go down, but it helped the sound.
It sounded better too. Yeah.
Right.
Awesome. Thank you. Your name?
Okay, it's Chris.
Chris.
Team Hertz.
All right, Team Hertz.
So.
Yes, sir. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.